how to make popcorn. First, grab a bag. Put it back inside. This is microwave popcorn, so don't expect me to just show you an easier way. Then, if you don't want to get scissors, use a knife like this one. Okay, it's not gonna work, never mind. So let's go to my room and get scissors. After you have it uncut, open the microwave, put it inside the microwave, because you can't just cook it with air. Then close it, press on the number 1. Actually, no. Wait. No, press on popcorn. Never mind. Yeah. Never mind. Press on the number 1. And now you leave it to 1 minute. But it actually takes 2 minutes. So you want to press the number 1 again. And now you just wait. And we're gonna wait. Once you're down to the beginning of your 2nd minute, it will start popping like so. Like this. When it stops popping, that's when you want to take it out. Or when the popping starts to become slow and less rapid and constant, that's when you want to take it out. Once it is done, you want to open it with your hands. Once it is open, you want to lay it here, and then you have to get this. This. And let me get the butter out. You want to carefully cut. Get a lot, though. Funny thing is, I used to be addicted to it. And I'd eat popcorn every day when I was like 9 or 10. So I stopped. Because I wasn't allowed to anymore. Because I was eating too much popcorn. Once you're done, you already know you have to put it in the sink and put the butter up. So we're not going to go over that. Then open the microwave. Oh, no, something on me. Put it inside the microwave. And press on 30 seconds. And let it cook. And no, I'm not talking about that in slang. I'm actually talking about let it actually cook. But don't let it melt too much. We have to let it melt. So this part we have to be careful and watch it. And I think it's good to have at least butter like this, melted. And then you just run out on the popcorn. You can also pour extra butter if you want more butter. Anyway on that. Afterwards, you should have the popcorn. And if you want, you can add salt. Because I actually have salt. And you are now done with it after you put the salt on it or whatever you have to put on it. And the thing about popcorn is that if you want to go to the movies and you have popcorn at home, you can just make the popcorn, put it in a Ziploc bag or something, and then go to the theater without having to pay for popcorn. And it costs even more money than what you already have. And you can just have this popcorn. Helps you save money. The end.